Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can transfer Notcoin from Telegram wallet to Tonkeeper wallet. This tutorial is quick and simple, so make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see assets and you want to choose Notcoin. Now to transfer from Telegram you will need to click on send option, and after that you will have an option to choose external wallet, just like I'm seeing here to add it. So make sure to click external wallet, and after that you will need to go ahead and enter the address. So the address you're going to find on Tonkeeper. Open up your Tonkeeper, and from here you want to click on option receive. Here on receive Toncoin, you will see an address which you need to copy. As you can see, you can send here only tokens in Ton network. So Notcoin definitely works for that. Now you're going to copy the address and go back to your Telegram wallet. Now on your Telegram wallet, on that send option and on external wallet, you're going to enter the address. The memo is not required because you are sending it to Tonkeeper, and Tonkeeper doesn't have a memo. So you should receive your funds with no waiting time and so on and so forth. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you transfer Notcoin from Telegram to Tonkeeper wallet. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.